will do the activity. What activity will do? Paper folding activity will do. This paper activity folding also we call it as origami. So I'll show you some activities, Nana. So with this paper folding we can do like this. What is this, Nana? This is fish. Okay, na? This is fish. By folding different types we can do the fish. And one more I'll show you. What is this? Puppy. What is this? Puppy. Okay, na? One more I'll show you. So this is also one type of fish, Nana. Okay, na? Different fishes, different types we can do. Not only these, Nana, many types we can do. Many birds, flowers also we can do it. So today we'll do this paper folding. What are the things to be needed? Color papers, scissors, sketchers and a pencil. Okay, na? So shall we start the activity, Nana? It's very easy, Nana. It is very easy to do the activity. So this is a square shape paper. First we have to cut the square shape paper. So first we have to do the folding like this. You have to fold the paper neatly. You have to fold these corners. You have to fold like this, and again you have to see. So like this you have to press. You have to fold it and you have to press like this. And this side also like this you have to press. Okay, na? Then after this corner paper you have to fold it to back side. Like this you have to fold. Like this you have to fold. And next, Nana, if you can draw directly, you can draw with the sketch. Otherwise, you have to draw with the pencil. So I'm drawing with the sketch, Nana. We are putting the eyes now. So eyes I am putting here. So like this, we have to draw the eyes. Okay, na? And this side also one more eye. Okay, na? Like this, you have to draw the eyes. Next again, eyelashes like this you have to put like this. And again to this here like this you have to open. You take one more sketch, you take it. So like this you have to draw. You have to color it like this. Neatly you have to color it, Nana. This is what, Nana? Mouth. Yes, what is this? This is mouth. So now you see what we got now. Here we got the puppy. Yes, no? Here we got the puppy or not? Yes, this is the puppy. It is very easy to do, Nana. Okay, na? You can do it neatly at home. You have to do it. You have to take the parent self and do it neatly. So this is what? Puppy. This is what, Nana? Puppy. Only we have done the only folding. We have taken the paper and only we have folded. Okay, na? Yes. So one more we will do. Okay, na? Take one more square shape paper, Nana. Take one more square shape paper you have to take. Okay, na? So see what I am doing, you see. Again, one folding I am doing like this here. One folding you have to do like this. You have to do the folding. Okay, na? Next after that what you have to do? See, again like this back side you have to fold. This square, this triangle shape paper, again to center this corner you have to take and you have to fold like this. Okay, na? Like this you have to fold and you have to press with the hand, Nana. So again this corner you have to fold to back. Like this you have to fold, and this side also corner is there, no? This side also you have to do. So what is this? Can you guess? See, this is one type of fish. So I am drawing the eye here. Okay, na? If you can't do with the sketch directly, means you can draw with the pencil and you have to draw it. Okay, na? See, small eyebrows also I am putting here like this, like this, like this, and like this we are doing. Okay, na? So like this. And it is very easy to do it, Nana. You can do it at home. So not only this one, many will be there. Many activities will be there, like the many birds you can make, many animals pictures like this we can do. Okay, now only few I am showing here. So this is one type of fish. Okay, na? Finish now? Yes. We'll take one more. Okay, na? So again you have to take one more square shape paper. Okay, na? Nana, if you don't have color papers, you can take white paper also, Nana. Otherwise, if you want it colorfully, means you have to do crayoning on the white paper and you can do it. Okay, shall we start now? Okay, so see, like this I am folding first. Okay, na? First I am one folding I have made. Again I am opening, and again one more folding. One more folding we are doing. Okay, na? Like this we have to fold, and after folding again you have to open, and you have to fold opposite like this. You have to fold to straight. Next, after you have to open like this, open it, and again you have to turn it back like this. You have to turn it and you have to press it neatly. Now if you press it only, you get the correct shape. Okay na? Now open, slowly open Nana. So now slowly you have to Nana. See children, see how I am folding carefully, you see. So this corner I am catching, and this corner, this corner, and this corner. These 4 corners I am catching and folding like this. Okay na? See how is it? Again one more triangle shape we got. So any side you take Nana. So now this corner I have to center point. You have to again you have to take it to the like this. You have to take, and one more this corner also to the center point you have to take, and you have to like this. You have to do. See. So what we got here now again? One more fish we got. Okay na? You got the one more fish or not? Yes. So for this fish, what you have to do? You have to put the mouth and the eyes. Also you have to see. Directly I am drawing Nana. So if you are not able to do directly, means you have to draw with the pencil. First you draw with the pencil, and then you have to draw with the sketch. Okay na? So next, so like this. Like this you have to do. So this is the fish. You got the fish or not? Yes. And next, so for the eye, get the white like this. You have to. This is one fish, and this is one more fish, and this is one more. What is this, Nana? This is puppy, no? Yes, this is puppy. So what is this? So I am putting one puppy here.